Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here using all celebrity endorsed makeup. Some makeup is from the celebrity brands themselves and some are collaborations with other makeup companies like MAC and CoverGirl and things like that. So if you guys are interested to see how I got this look and also what products I used for today's makeup, then keep on watching. For my eyeshadow palette today, I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner Pressed Powder Eyeshadow Palette in Eye of the Storm. Whole collection is really cute and it's obviously named after her daughter, Stormy. So that was a really cool touch. This is the actual eyeshadow palette. It's actually a cool tone palette, which I love because I'm kind of sick of warm tones right now. So yeah, I'm dying to use that green over there, and then of course I'm going to blend it in with this kind of gray and then that dark kind of matte brownish black color. These are the swatches right here. They feel really nice on touch and they feel really creamy and stuff like that. But I know that Kylie Jenner metallics are usually a little bit like not as metallic as I would like them to be. So I'm going to use a cream base underneath. And then I'm gonna apply that green shade on top, which I'm like dying to try out. My base today, I'm gonna be using this Jouer pencil right here. This is the shade Venetian, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyelids. That's the color right there. It's like an army green, forest green kind of color. I love this cream eyeshadow. It's so nice. Take a blending brush, just blend it in. I do have a few of Kylie Jenner's makeup. I don't own a lot, but I do own some of her liquid lipsticks and some of her eyeshadow palettes. She has free shipping for international over 60 US. So I always kind of like buy in bulk when everything just stocks all at once. Then I kind of just pick and choose what I like from her releases and then I buy some stuff at once. She always says like it's limited edition, but it's not really limited edition, she does bring it back. For my transition, I'm going to go in with that cool kind of taupe shade over here. I'm going to take that same blending brush, just apply that in the crease. This is a very cool shade. Going in with this green shade over here, just, ooh, it's really pretty. Going in with this shade right here, this is like a dark brown. Just put that on the outer third of the eye. Just right here. The mattes have a little bit of fallout. So I'm going to take this blending brush again just to blend it in. Going to use my Kat Von D Trooper eyeliner to just line my lashes. So recently CoverGirl collaborated with Katy Perry. They came out with this mascara and they came out with this eyeliner. This is Midnight Matte eyeliner and this is a 10 times volume darkness mascara. These are both in black. So let's give these a go and see if they're any good. First time I'm trying this out. The wand looks so weird. More of like a volumizing mascara. It is not a lengthening one, but so far it has kind of volumized it. I mean, I love my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara like way more than this, but this is not bad. I will apply this on my lower lashes, but first I want to try out this Katy Perry eyeliner. We have a hit on our hands with this CoverGirl eyeliner. It is really, really nice. Same black shade over here for the bottom half of my eyes. I'm gonna add the silver right here in the inner corner of my eyes. Yeah, I quite love this palette. I mean, it is, like I said, a very cool tone palette, but very, very fun to play around with. I'll clean up underneath the eyes, add on false lashes, and I'll be right back and we'll get started with the face makeup. You would have already known that Rihanna has her makeup line called Fenty Beauty. So I'm going to start off with her Fenty Beauty primer. This is the Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Primer. There are quite a few items from her makeup line that I really enjoy, so this is actually one of them. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filt'r foundation in number 330. So I'm going to mix it in with my Wet n Wild foundation, just, you know, to neutralize this yellow a little bit. It's a little too yellow for me right now. Next up is concealers, and I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner concealers that she recently launched. One is in the shade Amber and another is in the shade Buttermilk. So this one is Amber and this one right here is called Buttermilk. So I'm going to use Amber today, and it has a doe foot applicator. So just kind of conceal where we normally do. A lot of people say that ColourPop and, you know, Kylie Cosmetics is basically equal, but I don't know, like this concealer that I'm using, because I have the ColourPop concealers, it's not the same formula. This one is a little bit thicker. This one's a little bit more full coverage than the ColourPop one. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier powder to powder my face. So one of my favorite collabs last year was the Victoria Beckham and Estee Lauder collab. You know, this is the bronzer right here called Java Sun. So I'm going to use this today. I love this bronzer. It is well loved. One of those bronzers that's like the perfect undertone for me. Next up is blush, and I'm going to try out this MAC with Padma Lakshmi collection. Padma Lakshmi is a celebrity model and she does come in Top Chef, I think. And of course she's Indian, so I gotta support her. Look at this packaging, guys. It is beautiful. That is the duo right there. It is so, so beautiful. I'm gonna just mix the two colors and then I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks. It has a little bit of a golden sheen to it. Nevertheless, really, really pretty. I'm going to use one of my favorite collaborations again from last year. This was the Becca and Chrissy Teigen highlighting palette, you know, blush palette. These were the gorgeous kind of shades right here. I'm going to use this shade over here called Beach Nectar. I love Chrissy Teigen in general. She has like such a fun personality. You know, she's so bubbly, and I love it. It was a great collab. I love it, and it's good for those of you who are medium to dark skin tone. I think you can still get this. I'm not 100% sure, but I think you can still get it. Last bit is lipstick, and I also picked up a Padma Lakshmi MAC lipstick in the shade Nude Fudge. This is the packaging right here. It is so beautiful, and look at this gorgeous kind of shade. That's the shade right there. I mean, it's going with my eye look, but I kind of wanted to put a lip gloss on top today. I have these Kim Kardashian West Kylie Jenner cream liquid lipsticks. They're more like a lip gloss type formula. This shade right here called Kimberly. Just gonna put it in the center. So what do you guys think of this? I mean, did you like this before I put this on or after? It's not too bad. I mean, it just kind of lightened the brown color a little bit. I'll zoom you guys in for a close-up, but I'm quite happy with the outcome, especially the eyeshadow palette. I love it. Oh my goodness. So what do you guys think of celebrities coming up with their own brands? I mean, nowadays more and more celebrities are coming out with their makeup line. Like I heard Gwen Stefani is coming out with her line, Bella Thorne, you know, there's Serena Williams. I don't know who else is coming out. I think Madonna has like her own line. Kim Kardashian obviously has her own line. So the makeup industry is really savage. So, you know, if someone comes out with their makeup brand and it's not really that good, you know, people are going to put it aside like right away, because there's so many brands that you can work with. That's the thing about celebrities and makeup. It's like if you're into makeup, definitely makes sense to have a makeup brand. But if you're not really into makeup and you're just in it for the money, I think people are gonna smell that, and you know, they're not gonna want to buy your products. That's just my little 2 cents. I guess it remains to be seen how good some of these new brands will be. I guess time will tell. For now, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.